Good morning, loves. Happy Saturday. We made it. All right, what is for breakfast this morning? What are you having? Let me show you what I'm having. This is a half a grapefruit. This is 2 egg whites with a little bit of cheese in the center, some grapes, a dill pickle, a chicken kale sausage, a little piece of cheese rolled up with a prosciutto, a homemade bun, which is 4 tablespoons of flaxseed, otherwise known as a quarter cup, a golden flaxseed, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 egg mixed together. Microwave for 1 minute. And then I pop it in the air fryer for another minute or so just to crisp it up, and some cottage cheese with pepper. So it's got great fiber. I got a lot of protein and some good fruits. So this is how I like to eat lean and clean. This is what got me from going from a 2XL to a size small. It wasn't eating less, it was eating more of the good stuff. So stop depriving yourself and start fueling your body. Have a great day. I'm here to help if you need me.